Homemade peach pudding from a can of sliced peaches. First, drain peaches into a separate bowl and then slice peaches into another bowl. Puree the peaches until all mixed. Dry ingredients for this pudding are a half a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour 12 ounces of milk in a cooking pot, and then pour the dry ingredients into the milk and stir. Add the heavy syrup from the peaches into the cooking pudding. Add some of the pureed peaches into the cooking pudding. Keep stirring. When the pudding thickens, spoon pudding into another bowl and cover and refrigerate.